Okay, recently we have been looking so much comments which about waterproof for the mattress, how to prevent the water in the rooftop tents, some different kind of comments. And I will just tell you that it won't happen in our rooftop tent, and I will tell you the why our rooftop tent can get the water. So let's go. So here is our sample room. There are a lot of different kind of the sample here, and I will just tell you about why our rooftop tent can get the water. So first we need to know why there's so much water in the tent after when we sleep in the rooftop tent. So when we sleep in the tent, the moisture we breathe when we sleep at night will enter the tent, and the temperature is relatively low at night. But as the sun rises, the temperature rises, and the humid air and the air in the bottom form and liquefy, thus moving the water droplets. So that's the reason why people stay in the tent for the night, and when they wake up, and it will be watered a lot. Okay, so now let's take a look with these shells. This is one of our hot shells, and you guys can see here, it is made with aluminum honeycomb here, and also with black powder coated, which is really strong. And let's take closer. Look at this hose here. This hose is one of our unique design, and it can prevent the water holding, and when the water is increasing, and it will just drop out directly by this hose. And what's more is, let's take closer here. You guys can see here. It is also the same here. There are also some holes here also. It is also doing the same, just like the hose here, and it can prevent the water holding. Okay, that's two reasons why our rooftop tent can get the water. So right now I will just tell you another point, one more thing that our rooftop tent can get the water also. So you guys could see this one. This is one of our mattress, and this is anti-slip mattress. It's a little bit different with our regular type, and you guys could see here. You guys could see this is anti-slip material, which is made with PVC. So if you guys know the PVC, this kind of material, it can get the water very well. So our anti-slip material is not only against the anti-slip, and also it is waterproofed, so we really think it will help the water can just getting through, and it will help a lot for the waterproof for the rooftop tent. Okay, so all of these points make our rooftop tent is different with others, and we do have the confidence that you guys purchasing it, you guys may be satisfied with our rooftop tent. Low price, high quality, special design. So that's all about today's video. So if you guys are interested with our rooftop tent or with our awnings or others, you guys could just give us a message down below or just email us directly. And that's all about today's video. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye.